guys, welcome back to the Super Trickula Brothers. I'm Maddie, and this is my cousin Leo. And we've already tried out water slime. And today, we're going to try out fluffy slime. Very fluffy slime.
Fluffy!
Okay, kids, what you're going to need for this one is some school glue, contact solution, and some shaving cream, and of course, a bowl to put it in, obviously.
First step, you're gonna add glue.
Now let's squirt in some shaving cream. Now grab a spatula and start mixing. Now add contact solution to activate the slime.
Undo it!
So look guys, we're getting slime.
Whoa!
Let's check it out, Leo.
Yeah! Yeah! Whoa!
Let's play with it. Oh my gosh. If you guys want, you can always add food coloring to make it colorful.
A glitter, other fun stuff. Stop this video and tell me what to make next.